Sa financial management, you have to do three things. It's going to be a repetitive process. First phase is what we call audit. Write down all your income streams. Isulat po ninyo tanan inyuhang expenses. Apil na dara ang Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop, tanan, and then balance. After nato i-audit ato ang kwarta guys, mahibaw-an nato kung kamusta na siya pinaagi sa next step, assessment. Once you know what's going on, you can say unsa ang imuhang current situation. Last step nato is action. Since kabalo na ka sa problema, kabalo na ka unsay pwede himuon. The good thing is nana siya tulo ka book results when we do this activity. Ang first is base sa inyong audit if imuhang income is equivalent sa imuhang expenses, ang assessment nimo break even. Walay sobra, walay kulang. Now, is that a good thing or a bad thing? It's a little bit yes, na good thing. It's also a little bit of a bad thing. Nga naman, good thing siya kay at least dili ka baon sa utang. It's a little bit bad kay kung mo change lang gamay ang market condition, musaka lang imong expenses because of inflation, mawad-an kag income tungod kay nag-absent kag isa ka adlaw, piti dayon ka. Unsa may dapat himuon nato pag break even? Matuto tayo mag-budget. What if your income is lesser sa imuhang sa ato pa, imuhang assessment is you are currently baon ba sa utang. Kasi dapat himuon, so since baon ka sa utang, kailangan nimo bayaran ang imuhang utang. What if imuhang income mas dako kaysa imuhang expenses? You are profitable. Unsay dapat himuon? Save na kag kwarta. Na may ubang tao na profitable pero hurot ang kwarta.